The cure, brother, I will start by telling you, I want you to scream and fight it with La ilaha illallah. Scream yourself with the word of Allah. Because what they do is sihr, is shirk. Right? So shirk is dirty. So never fight shirk with shirk. If you do so, it's as if you are washing dirty clothes with dirty water, and you know it will never get clean. So when they are doing the shirk, you face it with La ilaha illallah. Screen yourself with the word of Allah. Screen yourself with Tawheed. Today, brothers, we are not making dua. Many people don't care about dua, and this is the weapon of the believer, a dua. So screen yourself. Seek protection from the protector. وَلَا يَؤُدُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. He never gets tired of preserving them. He never gets tired of protecting them. وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. And he is Al-Ali, the exalted. Al-Azim, the greatest. The great. Allah. Seek protection from the protector. وَيُرْسِلُ عَلَيْكُمْ حَفَظًا. He sent guards to protect you. Seek protection from Allah. Seek protection from Allah. فَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَقَدْ أَبْلَغْتُكُمْ مَا أُرْسِلْتُ بِهِ إِلَيْكُمْ وَيَسْتَخْلِفُ رَبِّي قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ وَلَا تَضُرُّونَهُ شَيْئًا إِنَّ رَبِّي عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ حَفِيظٌ. Seek protection from Hafiz. Al-Hafiz. Seek protection from Al-Hafiz, the protector. Seek protection from Al-Hafiz, the preserver. Al-Hafiz, the one who protects all his creations. Seek protection from him. Screen yourself with Tawheed. Why? فَاللَّهُ خَيْرٌ حَافِظًا. Didn't you hear Yaqub alayhi salam? فَاللَّهُ خَيْرٌ حَافِظًا. Never get scared. They try to scare you. Be strong and say, فَاللَّهُ خَيْرٌ حَافِظًا. Allah is the best protector. Allah is the best preserver. He will protect you. So screen yourself with Tawheed. Screen yourself with the word of Allah. Never fight shirk with shirk. Fight shirk with Tawheed, the powerful word. My brothers and sisters, this is the cure. But now, brothers, seeking protection from Al-Hafiz, Allah, the protector, the preserver. Many people today, when they come, or you see them, or they come to you, or you are telling them that, you know what, do this and do that and do it, which is authentic from the Quran and Sunnah, they take it for granted, as if it's nothing. But brother, nothing can fight these evil acts except Allah. Nothing. But because of lack of iman, if you tell them, do this which is authentic from the Quran, do this which is authentic from the Sunnah, okay. He rather you give them the names of the jinn. Yeah. Today, some people respect names of jinn more than the name of Allah. If he comes, you tell him, go and recite Qul a'udhu bi Rabbil Nas. You mean this Qul a'udhu bi Rabbil Nas? What do you mean this Qul a'udhu bi Rabbil Nas? They rather you give them the names of the jinn. Listen to Allah. وَأَنَّهُ كَانَ رِجَالٌ مِّنَ الْإِنسِ يَعُوذُونَ بِرِجَالٍ مِّنَ الْجِنِّ. Among the humankind, there are some people who seek refuge, who seek protection from the jinn. النتيجة. ما هي النتيجة? What is the result? Listen. فَزَادُوهُمْ رَهَقًا. They increase them in confusion. Believe me, those who are doing that know. They know what I'm talking about. Because when you seek protection from jinn, it always increases your what? Your pain. You never feel safe. You never feel safe. But why don't you go to Allah to feel safe and be safer? You have Allah. Why seeking protection from jinn? فَزَادُوهُمْ رَهَقًا. Brother, sister, come to Surah Al-Ikhlas, the three surahs, the last three surahs of the Quran. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. When Allah was telling us, when He is telling us about His supremacy, about who He is, His majestic, how great He is one and the only one, that everybody goes to Him. He is self-sufficient. At the end, if you understand, He said, now seek refuge in me when it comes to the devilish acts of the humankind and the jinn. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ مِنْ شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ وَمِنْ شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ وَمِنْ شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَةِ فِي الْعُقَدِ وَمِنْ شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. They have special time when they want to strike, early at dawn, and when the night gets darker, that's when they strike. So Allah says, seek protection with me, in me, to protect you. Whenever they strike, it will never work. But you are living all this, you don't believe in it. Do you know why you don't believe in Qul A'udhu Birabbil Falaq, Qul A'udhu Birabbin Nas? Because you don't believe in Allah, or because your iman is not strong. Didn't you hear what Allah said? الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَتَطْمَئِنُّ قُلُوبُهُمْ بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبُ. If you have iman, your iman is strong. When they say Allah, that's it. But because the iman is slow, when they say, قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ, you don't want that. You rather they give you the names of the jinn that you cannot even pronounce. So brothers and sisters in Islam, Ikhlas, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ, قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ, the great weapon. Wallahi, I swear by Allah, if you believe in it, you act upon it, wallahi, nothing will harm you. Try. Just believe. Just believe. Brothers and sisters in Islam, be strong in your faith. You have Allah. You have the protector and they have the jinn. Who is stronger? فَأَيُّ الْفَرِيقَيْنِ أَحَقُّ بِالْأَمْنِ? The one who has Allah and the one who has the jinn. Who is more safer? Answer. So be strong in your faith. So brothers and sisters in Islam, be strong in faith. Make sure you make dua for protection before you go to bed. Take the sunnah of Rasulullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Qul a'udhu bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq min sharri ma khalaq wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab wa min sharri an-naffathati fil 'uqad wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min sharri al-waswasil khannas alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas min al-jinnati wan nas. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. When you finish, الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. If you can, add Amal al-Rasul. Screen yourself with Tawheed and stay away from shirk. It will not benefit you. It will not protect you. It will rather it will increase you in confusion and fear. Brother, أَلَيْسَ اللَّهُ بِكَافٍ عَبْدَهُ. Is Allah not enough to protect you? Is He not enough for you? Yes. Bala, 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 bala. Allah is enough to protect us. Ya Allah, we seek your protection. We have been hijacked by these devilish acts, black magic and evil eye. Ya Allah, protect us. Brothers, when you are leaving your house, don't forget Bismillah, tawakkaltu ala Allah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. You come back, Bismillahi walajna, wa Bismillahi kharajna, wa ala rabbina tawakkalna. Brother, your day, when you wake up, that's Salat al-Fajr. Bismillahi alladhi la yadurru ba'asmihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis sama, wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. Say a lot, حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. Brother, you will be protected. They will do and do at the end. You know what they will tell you? This guy is a witch. Yes, I have. If they try, and they are not succeeding, and they did not succeed, he has something. Yes, I have Allah. I have Allah.